Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today we're going to show you where your jack and spare tire is located on a 2015 Subaru Outback. If you need any parts for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1AAuto.com. So this has a rubber mat. We're just going to lift that up, pull up the access door, and here we have the Subaru wheel lock key. Because this vehicle has it, your car might also. Make sure you keep that wheel lock key in a location that you'll always know where it is. It's, you know, situations happen, emergencies, and panic sets in. You don't think clearly. So if you keep that right here next to the item that you're going to need, that's the way to do it, as far as I'm concerned. So we're going to pull the jack out. We have a scissor jack. We have the lug wrench. We have the tool that is going to use it to crank it up. Also, if you ever have a tow service come to get you because the vehicle's dead and they're saying, oh, blah, 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 you have a tow hook. It's right here in the trunk. There is a plastic cap in the front and in the back. And here it is right here on the bumper. You pop that cover off and there's a big threaded tube, and this will thread right in. Now the tow service can hook to this and pull your car out. That way you don't get them to go underneath and possibly damage your lower control system. Control arms, trailing arms, people like to attach that hook to it, and that's not a good thing. So now that we got the jack and the lug wrench in the hook for the jack aside, before we set it up on the car, we're going to grab our spare tire, take that out. And that's going to have, a lot of vehicles will have the safety lock, some of a big butterfly wing nut. Just do your lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. Now I'm spinning this to the left. Don't think you're not doing it right. Trust me, they put like a 6-inch bolt in this. I don't know why. Maybe to keep it from rattling. They really bolt these down. Maybe you have a tag team. All right, so that's out of the way. Now I'm going to reach down and grab my spare tire.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.